So how many real estate cliches can we use to describe our new listing at 822 Little John Drive? Location, location, location. This home is in the Nottingham Woods neighborhood, just minutes from North Salisbury and the mall, retail, restaurants. Also a quick shot to Route 50 if you're heading toward the beach. Opportunity awaits. This home is waiting for you to add some sweat equity and your personal touch with a new roof and a new furnace. Most of the big stuff's taken care of already. Starter home. What does that even mean now? The average sales price of a home last month was around $250,000. This is just over that, so I guess it could be a starter home. Great bones. This home has good bones. Open floor plan. You know what stinks about an open floor plan? Say the big game is on, like my Super Bowl winning Rams the other night, but someone else wants to have a private conversation in the other room. The problem is, with an open floor plan, there is no other room. This home actually has a nice blend of openness and a traditional layout. Rare find. Of course it's a rare find. Me being a numbers geek, I had to look it up. Right now, 0.003% of homes in the entire county are for sale. So yeah, it's a rare find. This home has it all. I hate that phrase, although I use it myself. But this home does have it all. A place to cook, a place to eat, a place to sleep, and a place to, go. But seriously, this home is amazing. It's super cute. It has loads of potential. But to see it in person, give us a call.